Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Service Family Nutrition Program, and today we're going to make fried rice with chicken. For this recipe, the ingredients that we need are 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 carrot that has been peeled and diced, half a green pepper diced, half a medium onion diced, a half a cup of broccoli diced, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 eggs, 3 cups of cooked and cooled brown rice, and cooked chicken. You can either use canned chicken or chicken breasts. I use chicken breasts that I cooked in a skillet and then diced up into bite-sized pieces. To start our recipe, we're going to turn our heat to medium-high. You can use a skillet on your stove or an electric skillet like I have here. Our first step is to pour our vegetable oil into our skillet that is heating up. And now we're going to put our rice in. And stir our rice occasionally for about 5 minutes. Okay, our rice has been cooking for about 5 minutes, and now I'm ready to add the rest of our ingredients. The first thing we're going to add is our carrot. We washed our carrot, we peeled it, and then we diced it or shredded it, and that is 1 carrot. Then we're going to add our green pepper that has been washed and diced, half a medium onion that has been washed and diced, and a half a cup of broccoli that has been washed and cut up into small bite-sized pieces. Stir this around, and then we're going to add our seasonings. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this up. Make sure all the veggies and the rice get coated with that soy sauce and the seasonings. And we're going to cook this until our veggies are tender but still crisp. Nobody likes soggy, mushy vegetables. I'm going to put the lid on and let this steam for a couple minutes. Okay, I've been cooking my rice and vegetables for a few minutes. My veggies are still crisp, but are tender. And our next step is to remove our rice and vegetables to a clean plate so that we can cook our eggs in our skillet. So I'm just scooping this all out on a plate. Almost got it. There should be enough oil in your skillet to scramble your eggs. So we're just gonna add our eggs that we cracked into a small bowl and then beat with a fork for a few minutes. Scramble that egg until it's all cooked. Once your egg is scrambled, which doesn't take any time at all, we're going to add our rice and veggies back in the skillet. Bring everything back up to temperature. Mix in that egg and add our chicken. Coat the chicken with all that delicious fried rice and vegetables. Mix the egg in. I'm going to turn my heat down. Everything should be incorporated and ready to go. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. It's a great recipe to make. You can use any vegetables you have on hand. If you don't have chicken, you don't have to use chicken. You could also use some other protein. And there we go, we're ready. This is a great, colorful recipe and a super way to get whole grains and lots of vegetables in your diet. Thanks so much for cooking with us today. Bye-bye.